get it the best we can. And take this whole thing out of the way. Check. I'm sure everything's good there. I'm gonna put this wire back in here. This comes off. And this should just pop right off. It was stuck up in there good. Okay. I had to press the spring. Not like that, like this. Oh, okay, I'm putting it in there wrong. Through here. Through here. Okay, did it inside. Through the hole. Okay. Now my fingers are getting tired. Okay, now we got it. See, that's what I mean about just not as easy as you think. You gotta know what you're doing, do some research, get an idea. So when you run into some issues, you won't be like a dumbass like me. What's next? Okay. Come on, muscles. Rack it up, baby. Oh, I'll be dropping my pen, effing stuff up. Through the middle hole, through there, and there we go. Put that spring down centered. Now we should be good, I believe. Okay, you seat it. Make sure that goes down. Let's see. Let the open end. The bottom open end on this side. There we go. Try to screw it on straight. Don't try, do. Screw it on straight. Nice and snug. Put that wire back on there. Now all we have to do is reattach it. Did I put the new or the old? I put the old. I need to switch this back. Okay. I didn't switch the cap. Looks like it's fine, but let's do this whole thing correctly. So this comes out. This is the trash one. Let's put this back on first, the rubber piece. thing go back on like that? Yes, indeedy. Okay. Kind of learn as you go, you know what I'm saying? Now, let's put the spring back in here. Wow, it sat inside the other one a little bit better. This is a lot tighter. Okay. I could have just stopped where I was ahead, but you know how it is. You want to make sure you get everything according to how it should be. Specs. There we go. I'm happy with that. Now let's reattach it. This thing comes around and attaches on the front like that. Okay, I'm going to tighten those down once I get disconnected. Put it exactly back where it was before. Alright, and then we'll get those screws. Those bolts. Top one first. So this is actually the first ride since I put the new carburetor in here yesterday. It started raining, so I didn't get to test it out. Everything should be good, except I only tested the idle. But there's a bunch of marks on the carburetor, so I'm assuming everything, there's some blue marks on there, so I'm assuming everything was pre-adjusted. I didn't even have to change the idle. It was amazing. Like I said, I'm going to put a link to my new carburetor down in the description. So go ahead and pull your pegs out. Make sure you get up all the way back on that seat. Choke. I wonder if I could take the choke off. It's a nice warm day. Hey, it's running. This carburetor is better than the other one. Ready? Yeah. back just a little bit more. Can you scoot back a little bit more?
Yeah.
Good?
Yeah.
Make sure you got a hold of something. Good? Traffic is crazy. We're gonna go down Sydney today. Down Covedale. Cut through the parking lot. Look at yourself, you good? What the hell? Smells a little wobbly. Smells a little wobbly. I'll have to check that again. We're gonna go straight today. I don't know if I could change this light.